This is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2013 Mazda BT50, stock number 6667. This ran from the 10th 2011 to the 6th 2020. It has a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is the P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 16-inch steel wheel good tyre. Front bonnet no dents, left front door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, right rear 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, right rear and right front door no dents, right front door mirror, right front 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, display cluster, interior mirror, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,